We can also search in Google just plain numbers. In other words, if we have a search tracking number for FedEx or for UPS, we can just punch it into Google and we can come up with the web page that will lead us to the tracking information for that package. We can also do searches for patents. We just put in the word patent with the number and it'll come up with websites all dealing with the patent information for that particular item. And another search we can do is on UPC codes on the bottom of each product. There's a barcode with a UPC code. I'm going to show you that I just bought a Western Digital hard drive, and let's put in the code here. I already entered it in just to make it quicker. We see that that is the UPC code on the bottom of the box of the hard drive. When I do a Google search for it, we see that even by UPC code I can get information on the product. We see Google has returned a lot of results here on the Western Digital hard drive. We see that these are the websites that contain information about that hard drive. A lot of them are places that we can go ahead and purchase that hard drive, but it was all done by the UPC code. So we see that Google has a huge searching index of different information. We could also do a more simple search, probably more useful. Let's say we need to know an area code, or we have an area code, we don't know where it's from. So we can just put in the area code. Let's take a common one. Everyone knows the New York City area code. And we hit enter. And we see that the first thing that comes up is showing us where that area code is. We see here that it's from New York City. We have the opportunity to actually see a map of that area code, which would probably show us a map of Manhattan, because that's where the 212 area code is from. And so these are all different ways that we can search by number. So don't hesitate if you have a particular number of a code, of some type of universal global code, either with a company or an index code. Don't hesitate to put it in, and you might be interested. It would be very interesting to see what kind of results you get.